The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Buchanan County in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Daviess County, western Clinton County in northwestern Missouri, southeastern Gentry County in northwestern Missouri, northeastern Platte County, southeastern Andrew County in northwestern Missouri, DeKalb County in northwestern Missouri, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southwest of Union Star to near Agency to 6 miles west of Dearborn, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Joseph, Plattsburgh, Gower, Maysville, Stewartsville, Agency, Trimble, Edgerton, Dearborn, Camden Point, Osborne, Pattonsburg, Clarksdale, Easton, Cosby, Weatherby, Ridgely, McFall, Amity, and Fawcett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 74 and 82. Interstate 29 between mile markers 26 and 45. Interstate 229 between mile markers 0 and 1. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Andrew, Buchanan, Clinton, Daviess, DeKalb, Gentry, and Platte.